Hello everyone. In this lesson video, we're going to look at solving systems of inequalities. Now, we've learned that when solving for one inequality, we get a region of answers, that is, infinite answers. When solving for a system of inequalities, we should graph them all and find the area where all of the solutions for the previous equations overlap. Let's try an example now. Here's our first one. X plus y is greater than or equal to 2. Let's rearrange this into slope-intercept form so we can graph it easily. That's x minus 2 is greater than or equal to minus y. 2 minus x is less than or equal to y. And we switch the inequality sign because when we divide by minus 1, we have to switch the sign. Don't forget that. So if we graph this, if we take x and y to be 0, we have a y-intercept of 0, 2, which should be about here, and our slope is minus 1. So our line will look something like this. Let's graph our second line. 2x minus y is less than or equal to 1. That's 2x minus 1 is less than or equal to y. Our y-intercept will be minus 1, 0. That's the point where x is 0. And our slope is 2. So our line will look something like this. And since it's an inequality, we take the point 0, 0, and we plug it into our first inequality. So we have 2 minus 0 is less than or equal to 0. 2 is less than or equal to 0. This is false. So we know that the point 0, 0 isn't in the solution space for our first inequality. So our first inequality solution has to be the area above the line, or to the right of the line. If we plug the same point into the second inequality, we have 0 minus 1 is less than or equal to 0. This is true. So we know the point 0, 0 must be part of the area, or must be included in the area for the second inequality. So the solution to the second inequality is the area to the left of the line. And the solution to the system of inequalities is the area formed by the overlap of those two regions, that is, this entire yellow area highlighted here. And it keeps extending upwards. Now, let's try another example. Try one of the example videos.